place where your brain gets blown with facts you won't believe, from the weird to the wild. Vending machines versus sharks. Think sharks are the most dangerous thing at the beach? Think again. The fact. Statistically, vending machines kill more people every year than sharks do. That's right. Vending machines cause about 2 to 3 deaths annually. Sharks? Usually just 1. People actually die from trying to shake a vending machine when their snack gets stuck. The machine tips over and crushes them. Yep, death by Doritos. So next time you're worried about sharks, maybe keep your distance from that Snickers bar too. Octopuses are already weird, but did you know they can taste with their arms? The surprising fact, each arm of an octopus has hundreds of suction cups, and inside those cups are special receptors that can detect chemicals in the water. That means when an octopus touches something, it's not just feeling it, it's literally tasting it too. Researchers discovered these taste-by-touch sensors help octopuses explore their world, identify food, and even avoid danger, all with their limbs. So next time an octopus grabs you, it's not just curious, it's actually tasting you like a snack. The brain feels nothing. You felt headaches, right? But what if I told you your brain isn't actually what's hurting? The surprising truth. The human brain has no pain receptors. That means it can't feel pain. At all. Not even a little. That's why during certain brain surgeries, patients can be awake, talking, moving, and even cracking jokes, while doctors operate directly on their brain. The pain you feel during a headache? That comes from blood vessels, muscles, and nerves around your skull, not your brain itself. So yeah, your brain can feel everything except itself. Your smartphone has more computing power than NASA used to land on the moon. Think your phone is just for scrolling TikTok and texting? Think again, the shocking fact. The smartphone in your pocket is millions of times more powerful than the computers NASA used to send astronauts to the moon in 1969. Crazy comparison. The Apollo guidance computer ran at just 0.043 megahertz, while your phone runs at over 2,000 megahertz, and they still landed on the moon with it. In fact, your phone could run all of NASA's Apollo missions and still stream Netflix. So if you're not using your phone to do great things, just remember, someone went to the moon with less. Think public toilets are disgusting? Your phone might actually be worse. The nasty truth. Studies show that the average smartphone has up to 10 times more bacteria than a toilet seat. The reason? We touch our phones constantly, after eating, using the bathroom, and touching public surfaces, but rarely clean them. The gross part. That means every time you scroll, swipe, or call, you're basically pressing a bacteria party to your face. So yeah, maybe your phone deserves a disinfectant wipe more often than your bathroom. You start decomposing just 4 minutes after death. Sounds fast? That's because it is. What actually happens? Once your heart stops beating, oxygen stops reaching your cells. Within minutes, cells begin to break down in a process called autolysis. Basically, your body starts digesting itself. Soon, bacteria from your gut escape and begin feeding on your internal organs. This causes bloating, discoloration, and eventually, the full breakdown of tissue. The bigger picture. It's not just decay, it's biology, chemistry, and the circle of life in motion. Fascinating, morbid, and 100% real.